What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to check out the ANNKE HD Smart Wireless Pan and Tilt Camera. So ANNKE sent this out to me for a review. I've reviewed quite a bit of security cameras out there in the past. This is their Pan and Tilt camera. What's really nice about the Pan and Tilt cameras is it's an indoor camera for this one. It's an HD, so this will allow you to actually view your house and actually move the camera left and right or up and down as needed when needed. It'll allow you to use an iPhone or an Android app to actually view. So some of the quick highlights on here, it says HD video. It says it's plug and play, person-to-person remote access through your phone, two-way audio, which is really nice because most of them don't actually use that or have that, and then smooth pan and tilt. Let's check out what's in the box. So first you get their quick start guide. Tells you how to set it up and all that. It's got the support information in there as well. Then you have a flat Ethernet cable, which actually is pretty nice that they actually gave you a flat Ethernet cable. You have their micro USB cable for power, their charging block. You have a mount and mounting screws with drywall anchors, so that way you can mount it on the wall if you wanted to. And then you have the actual camera itself. So let's look at the quality of the camera itself and learn a little more about it. On the top we have a light sensor. Below that we have the lens, the HD lens. Below that we have the infrared light for night vision. On the base itself, on the right hand side, we have the microphone. And then on the left hand side we have the loudspeaker. Starting from left to right we have the power input for the micro USB. And then we have the micro SD card slot for memory. Above it, the reset switch. And to the right of that we have the RJ45 Ethernet jack. Alright, so in order to add the actual camera itself, you'll hit the plus button here. Then you'll go into, this one's a pan and tilt camera, zoom camera. And then it's going to want to scan the barcode that's at the bottom of this camera itself. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So now it's asking me how I want to connect. Do I want to connect through Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, which I don't have an Ethernet cable hooked up and my network is upstairs, so we're going to do Wi-Fi. So I wanted to show a little bit about the camera app right now. It's got the kind of a thumbnail of the last thing it took a video of. If you click into it, it's a live view. It doesn't show you, but since it's a pan and tilt, there's controls where you can scroll left or right just by kind of using your hand motions. But you use your hand to swipe where you want to actually have that thing view. And then you can hit this button to record right now and take a photo, talk through it, listen in, and you can also make adjustments don't know why it's not working right now, but I did it earlier. But you can make adjustments to actual video footage, like the photo quality. And then you can go to your documents and look at all the footage that it's stored. So right now I have an SD card in there, so everything on the SD card itself is stored right here. And then I can also take the SD card out and put it on my actual computer to look at the photos. So that's just a quick view of the actual app itself. It's actually pretty slim, and there's not it's not really busy, so there's not a lot of crap going on. But I really like the slim version of it, like the slimness of it. You don't need a whole lot going on for it. There really isn't any need for a bunch of buttons. So let's go ahead and check out the video quality of the night vision and also during the light time. This is a test in natural light in the bedroom. So this is the interior camera, so this is probably similar lighting you're going to be dealing with. Right now it's kind of probably dark on the top of my head-ish area, just because this is a poor lighting area, but other than that, this is the quality you'll get. Here's a sample footage of completely pitch black in here in this bedroom. So you can see the night vision on it and the quality it has. Which freaks me out because it's pitch black in here. Please tell me when I review this, there's nothing behind me. So all in all, if you're looking for a fairly inexpensive pan and tilt camera, I highly recommend this one actually. At first I didn't think I was going to like it that much. The build quality is lacking a little bit. It's just all real plasticky and cheap feeling a little bit. But I think they did that to save money on everything. Well, not think, but that's how they saved a lot of money on it. And in all reality, the quality of it doesn't matter. As far as the actual build quality, because it's just gonna be sitting there. And you're not gonna move it around a lot. But for $40 for a pan and tilt camera, something you can move around. If you have a dog or a cat or an animal that moves around in your house, a chicken, rooster, I don't know what you have in your house. And I don't know why you'd have a rooster in your house either, or a chicken for that matter. But either way, maybe you have an animal in your house and you have a bigger room that you just can't have one camera cover, and you want to move it around to see what's going on with your dog or cat or other animal. I do recommend this. Out of all the ones I've actually reviewed, there are others that are really good, but for $40, I think this is a really good quality and a really good value. I will link the product in the description so you can check it out yourself. If you have any questions or comments about this, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. And if this is your first time to my channel, consider subscribing. I appreciate it. Other than that, I will see you next time. Thank you.